Hello friends, we have already seen for loop, we have seen while loop. Now we are looking to go with do while loop. So here you can see there is one expression 1, there is expression 2 which is control condition, and then increment expression 3 which is inside the loop. Similar condition is available with while loop also. You can have one expression 1, second expression can be control condition, and increment you can do it here inside this loop. But when we work with do while, the scenario is different. Here it is entry control. Okay? So entry is controlled. If everything goes true, then and then they work with the statement. Otherwise not. But when we work with do while loop, you will see that first statement are read, then after control statement is executed. So let's go and write the program. Say I have created one class, public static void, and then let's take one variable. Say for example I equal to 0, that is one thing we define. Then we'll write do while. So here you will see do while. Let's say less than 5, I is less than 5. So possibly on that base, whatever you want to do. So for example system.out.println print value of I, and then we go for increment, so it is done properly. So here you can say this is your expression 1, where you can define variable, assign values, and then move to the second expression. We will see control condition here, and this will be your expression 3, where you can say increment, or you can say iterator operator with it. So value are increased by 1. Let's save it, go for the output, and then this is our output. So you can say this is control do while, and you want to change the output, want it some another way, make the change, save it, again compile properly, prompt, then Java. You will see the output somewhere here, and in the same row you can say here the difference in the output row wise, this one is column wise. So on that base you can make the changes, you can make the things, and you can work. Now I hope you got the things. You can see in this way you are writing the do while. I hope you liked it very much. Thank you very much. Have a good day.